Yo, holy fountain. Everybody always talking about swag, right? Swag this, swag that. MD. But check it out. We got our own swag. Go look something like this.
Shalawam, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to start this share off with this bag of cactus potting soil. I went and purchased a Terra Cotta pot because it allows air and water to flow through it, and it also helps against root rot. And today we're going to investigate how to grow aloe vera in zone 6 or wherever you are. This is my aloe vera plant. It's had a hard year like the rest of us. Aloe vera likes the sunlight but doesn't like to be blasted into the sun. But always avoid cold drafts. If you grow it outside, it will need some shade. And now that I'm respecting her growth as well as mine, I want to get her cleaned up. So I'm repotting. I gently wipe the leaves with a little water and hydrogen peroxide. I remove some of the unnecessary trash. Aloe vera's healing properties are widely known. The gel-like substance inside the leaf can be used to treat everything from skin dis-ease and injury to skin and hair care. Because the individual leaves can be used as needed, everyone should be growing aloe vera in their home as a first aid against cuts and burns. Aloe vera should be fertilized with a water soluble in March, May, and July during the growing season, and watered only when the soil is dry. If you overwater it, the leaves will get squishy, and if you underwater it, the leaves will get thin. Other health benefits of aloe vera include boosting the immune system, aiding in the prevention of cancer, decreasing pain caused by arthritis, providing relief from side effects of chemotherapy, and ensuring the digestive system is functioning properly. If you have some health benefits or tips about growing aloe vera, please leave a comment below. I'm super excited to hear from you.
Like, share, subscribe at ivyamerican.com. Thank you.